out. I'm all dressed up in Hot Wheels clothes. With a steering wheel, goggles, and suit. But there's no pants. The green one goes over here. The white one goes over here. The next white one goes in here. And these two, the black one goes in here. The blue one goes in there. And the yellow one goes here. Hey! Kidding. Don't put the lid, Liam. You said stop doing that. I wasn't going to wait. And here's how it starts.
Awesome!
No, we missed it.
You missed the hoop? It's okay. The end.